You are going to love the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats. Come see the car for yourself.